welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fit a Volkswagen genuine cargo box onto your Cupra Formentor roof racks. The installation of the roof racks is pretty simple. I already installed mine. Every single one has a tag. This is on this side of the roof rack. It says front left. On this one says rear left. And they also give you a torque key that you have to use in order to tighten them to your existing racks. And then you just tighten this until these two arrows line up. Basically, that's the 80 Newton meter torque that you have to use for all of them. This is going to snap, it's going to line up, and now you have them super tight. You also have to install it for the provided instructions. You have to have 10 centimeters from here to the side of this rack and another 70 centimeters from the center of this rack to the center of this rack. The maximum speed, they're rated for 120 kilometers an hour max, and the maximum loading capacity is 75 kilograms or 165 pounds. Once you have the roof racks installed, you have the keys, you lock them in. Secured. You will see that these roof racks, as any other Volkswagen roof racks, have this channel, and that's how you're gonna fit your Volkswagen genuine cargo box through this channel. This is the cargo box which I'm going to install on this Cupra. I have it from my previous 2018 Passat GT, and if you want to see a full review of this cargo box, I'll put the link in the description with that video. This cargo box has 4 sliding plates like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and every single one has 2 bolts. If you look underneath, one has this plated bolts, and the other one is just regular. This regular is basically going to tighten this sliding element, and this is going to go right through the roof racks. Pretty simple install. For your regular Passat or the Passat GT, you have to have this plate in the front. These are the instructions from Volkswagen for this cargo box, but in this case, because the box itself is a bit longer, you won't be able to open the trunk if you're not going to install this at the back. So I'm going to install these plated bolts at the back instead of the front of the box. Place the box in the middle, and then you can tighten the bolts. First, you start with the one with the plate, and second, the one without a plate. Move it to the front, like this. There you go. You can lock it in. Same with the cargo box. Now you have to adjust the trunk opener so it doesn't hit the box. Okay, if you see right now, sit in the box. So what you have to do is pull it where you need it to stop. For example, if you want it to stop right here, then just hold this button. You hear this beep, and this is exactly where the trunk opener is gonna stop. Let's give it a try now. Close. Open the trunk. There you go. It stops exactly where you need it. Perfect fit for the Cupra Formentor roof racks. The vehicle looks absolutely amazing. Even with the cargo box. It fits so well. I love it. Guys, thank you for watching. I'm going to post the part numbers in the video description for the genuine Volkswagen cargo box and for the genuine Cupra Formentor roof racks. See you next time.